Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Learn with Wix. Today I am back with another video on SQL interview questions for Power BI. This is part 4. I have already uploaded the first 3 parts, so I will provide the link in the description box. Please check out those videos also, it will help you a lot. And if you are new to this channel, then I would recommend you to watch my Power BI interview Q&A video series also. It will help you a lot in cracking the interviews. The link of the playlist I will provide in the description box, and it takes a lot of effort to prepare these valuable videos for you all, so please support and hit the like and subscribe button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. This is the first question that you can expect. Will you be able to drop a table with a primary key constraint? Okay, think of the answer. Let's see how to answer this. So you have to say we cannot directly drop the table. First, we have to drop the primary key constraint so that its relation with the other entities is removed, with the other tables is removed basically, and then we can drop the table. So in this way, you can say that we can drop a table. Okay, we can't directly drop a table. Okay, so let's move ahead with the next question. What is the difference between a view and a materialized view? Okay, think of the answer. Let's see the answer. So views are generally used when data is to be accessed infrequently and data in the table get updated on a frequent basis. Okay, and what are materialized views? So materialized views are used when data is to be accessed frequently and data in the table not get updated on a frequent basis. So in this way you have to tell the difference between the views and the materialized views. Okay, let's move ahead with the next question. What will happen if you drop a table with a materialized view built on the top of it? Okay, let's have the answer now. So when we drop a table, the database does not automatically drop the materialized views based on the table. Okay, however, the database returns an error when it tries to refresh a materialized view based on the table that has been dropped. Okay, so in this way you have to answer this question if asked in the interview. Let's move ahead with the next question. Can you tell how does a query execution plan helps? Okay, now let's see the answer now. How to answer this? So the execution plan or the query execution plan can tell us how a query will be executed or how a query was executed. They are therefore the primary means of troubleshooting a poorly performing query. Okay, now what you also can add is we can use the query plan to identify the exact piece of SQL code that is causing the problem. And the last, execution plan can be either in graphical, text or XML format, so we can use either form. Okay, so in this way you have to answer this question. Let's move ahead with the next question. How do we use foreign key as a constraint? Like you can be asked to write how a foreign key constraint is added to any column. Okay, think of the answer. Let's see the answer now. So to use foreign key as a constraint, how to write that? As you can see here, foreign key, then the name of the column, that is here customer ID, the reference is customer, that is the table name, and the column name customer ID, and on delete cascade. Okay, so in this way you have to write the foreign key constraint on a specific column. Foreign key, the name of the column customer ID, references the name of the table customer with the column name customer ID, on delete cascade. Okay, so in this way you can answer or write the code. Let's move ahead with the next question. What is self join, and can you give any example, any real-time example? Okay, let's see the answer now. So if we would like to combine certain rows of a table with other rows of the same table, then we need a self join. Basically a table joins itself if we do self join. Now what example you can give here? So suppose you have the employee manager table, so we can extract the records of only those employees who are managers as well. So you can give this example as the example of self join. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned a lot through this video. I will keep uploading valuable contents for you all. So please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thank you all.